Hello, today I'll show you how to delete a section break in Google Docs. Step 1. Open your document and show non-printing characters. First, open your Google Docs document where you want to remove the section break. To view the section break, click on the View tab at the top of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Show Non-Printing Characters. You can also use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. Step 2. Delete the section break. Once you see the section break in your document, place your cursor right before it. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the section break from your document. This is a simple and straightforward process to remove section breaks in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial helped you, and now you can easily manage section breaks in your documents. Thank you for watching. I look forward to helping you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.